This is a quick video showing you how to do a Google search of your top keywords in order to find different headlines to test out in your ads. So in order to get started, obviously you'll need to have your keywords ready to go, and essentially all we're going to do is copy and paste them into Google and see what Google gives us. So the keyword we're using today is going to be skydiving. We'll go ahead and click enter, and then based on whatever comes up, we're going to obviously take into account the first things that are advertisements, but as you can see here, there are no advertisements that pop up immediately. But what we can actually see are some other things that we could potentially throw into our headlines. So you can see Seattle skydiving prices. So obviously we're promoting a Chattanooga skydiving company, but they are promoting it to Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia. So we could throw in essentially Tennessee skydiving prices, Georgia skydiving prices, Alabama skydiving prices, all into that ad group. Obviously, we want to keep in mind that if we are promoting it to all three states, it could potentially show Tennessee skydiving prices to somebody searching our keywords in Alabama. So we want to make sure that we are only using location-specific keywords if we have a location-specific ad group, or if our target market is only in one area. So obviously, if you are only advertising to people in Tennessee, you don't need to worry about having a Tennessee specific ad group, because everybody's already in Tennessee, so all of your headlines can have Tennessee in them and it won't cause any problem. So it's just a nuance to be aware of. And as we keep scrolling down, we can see some other things that we might potentially want to throw in there. We'll go to the next page. Obviously, it's going to be a lot more helpful if we can actually get some advertisements and be shown some advertisements. So as we can see here, Cleveland Skydiving Center. Obviously want to try and throw one of our own locations in there. Tandem skydiving, that's something that we can throw into our headlines. And so what we'll do next is we're going to we'll do skydiving near me as one of our next keywords. And as we can see here, there's just going to be other headlines for us to test out, but you get the idea. It's relatively straightforward. We just are looking for headlines that we can test out in our ads. Obviously, they all need to be 30 characters or less. So hope this video helps. We'll see you in the next one.